reliable 5G connectivity and advanced performance anywhere your work may take you. Whether your operations are focused in the warehouse, in shipping and receiving, or capturing data in real time, or in the transportation and logistics for pickup and delivery. The CT47 ultra-rugged design, seamless connectivity, and innovative technology are engineered to help keep workflows up and running through the most challenging conditions. Engineered for tough and demanding environments in the field or in the warehouse. With a powerful processor to run the latest data-intensive applications on Wi-Fi 6E and 5G on public, private, or CBRS networks. Armed with the FlexRange XLR for premium long-distance scanning. Built on the Mobility Edge platform, a durable, stable, and secure foundation for effective solutions. With optional Honeywell Operational Intelligence providing the latest in real-time analytics, device location, and battery life diagnostics. Outfitted with authentication features helping keep your assets and data secure. When you prioritize reliability and uptime in your operations, help keep workers connected and productive to deliver the best performance. Find out how the Honeywell CT47 provides you with the operational reliability to meet your business needs.